Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, Tactical Trader. It's Monday, May 3rd. These are the charts of the day. Alphabetically, as usual, Acme Packet, one of our favorites over the last few months, has continued to motor ahead, on up another $1.31 today to another new all-time high. You can see after Friday's big gap up, the stock opened at 26 and a quarter, back down to 26 and a quarter, and then ran to 27 and three quarters before backing off. But still up $1.31 on over a million shares. It's a 5% gain again today, and the stock looks like it has more to go. Upside right now, it looks like a short-term 30, 32, maybe 34 could be doable on Acme Packet. Same goes for Brigham Exploration, which made another new all-time high today, jumping to near 21, actually over 21 at 21.15 at one point, closing at 20.80, up $1.29. Volume was solid at nearly 7 million shares. The stock continues to act great. There is a short-term channel top right at this level here, but the bigger channel top, it shows a move to the 24.5 zone, may be doable. That's a short-term target. Comstock Holdings continues to stair step higher after the sharp volume breakout. Here, pulled back for a couple 3 days on very low volume, an indication of lack of selling pressure. Then a pop to the 160, from 160 to nearly 4, followed by this beautiful little pennant on low volume here. Looks like another move may be possible out of there to take this up towards the 4.5 fighter range. That's our next trading target. CLDX continues to stair step higher in a beautiful rising channel, and it's actually moved across the top of the channel with another 30-cent gain today, 900,000 shares. My next trading target is up around the $10 range. That's short term, and I think it's achievable. City Telecom, which had it's been in a beautiful rising channel for a year and a half now. Backed off as many of the Chinese stocks did, and then bounced and coiled. So this is right at the apex of an important wedge here, but it looks to me like this could make a move that takes this out and moves up towards the low 20s, a substantial potential gain, but we'll see what happens if it takes out 17.75, the early April high for starters. Integris, ENTG, after breaking out of this little flag here, flagged again, and then today broke out once again. The top of the channel on Integris, the way I've drawn it in, calls for a move up towards the 8.5, 9 zone, and that's my trading target on the Integris going forward. Kerx, Kerix Biopharma, KERX, broke out of this beautiful bull coil here on low volume and then exploded for 3 days in a row now, reached my trading target. We took a profit today on it, but if it pulls back, I'll consider re-entering. However, momentum is strong enough that this thing could continue higher, maybe even get up towards the $9 range, my next target, but not counting on that. I think the best avenue of approach here would be to wait to see what kind of setup comes on this one. Northern Oil and Gas, one of our favorite junior oils for quite a while, today may have moved out by jumping a dollar out of the apex of this big coil that it's setting up, and it appears that after a beautiful long-term rising channel, that this stock can continue higher. The shorter-term channel has a top around the $20 range, 20 and a half thereabouts is my short-term trading target. Prolor Biotech, PBTH, is showing a strong bullish tendencies with great balance of power money stream and on-balance volume. The stock today edged up another $1.32 on heavy volume and broke across this trading range to reach the top of this channel. But if an acceleration should take place here, I could see this one moving up towards 7, my short-term trading target. PWER had a significant session today as a follow-up to the real big session on Friday, which broke it out of this little consolidation range and across key lateral resistance going back to the 07 high. Right now, what's in focus is resistance at about the, and we're right there at about the 885, 9 zone, the 06 double top. Beyond that, potentiality exists for something around the $10 range, and we'll set that as our short-term trading target. Raptor Pharmaceuticals, RPTP, had a significant move, particularly today, but over the last week has At a price volume thrust that's taken out of this 8-month declining channel. As it started to accelerate today, it spiked up on heavy volume and is testing this zone in this area, but my trading target is around a 485.90 zone going forward at the top of the October 08 highs, 09 highs, excuse me. Silicon Motion, a former portfolio position, which we sold on the spike up in here in this zone, pulled back for 3 weeks, formed a beautiful consolidation range, and then it broke out of it today with a spike up of 94 cents or 17% on heavy volume. It appears that the stock may be able to reach the top of the channel up around the 7 3/4, 8 zone. That's my short-term trading target. And lastly is new portfolio position, SORL, which we bought on the pop today. As you can see, it gapped up a little bit, increased its volume, and it appears to be breaking out of a basing type pattern, and it's formed a new rising channel. The next test around 1290, my short-term trading target. Beyond that, something around 14. And that's it for tonight. Most of those ideas, all of those ideas on the long side, as the market today showed its resiliency and failed to follow through the downside, reversing back up more than 150 points on the Dow. The next couple of days are going to be very important to the trend, but we're going to continue to play them long until they decidedly turn negative. Bye-bye.